What is AI? Why you can't afford to ignore it anymore. You, with intense delivery. What if I told you that right now, at this very moment, the world is changing faster than ever before, and most people are sleeping through it? This isn't science fiction. This is reality. Artificial intelligence isn't the future. It's the present. And if you're not paying attention, you're being left behind. Whether you're a student, a parent, a teacher, a trader, or a business owner, if you're not learning AI, you're wasting time you'll never get back. Stay with me till the end because I'm going to show you why ignoring AI might be the most expensive mistake of your life. What is AI really? AI, or artificial intelligence, is simply machines or software that can think and learn like humans, or even better. From Netflix recommending your next show, to your phone unlocking with your face, to doctors detecting cancer early, that's AI at work. But here's the catch. AI doesn't sleep. It doesn't stop. It's learning, growing, every single day. And the question is, are you growing with it or falling behind? This isn't about tech companies anymore. It's about your career, your future, your freedom. AI is reshaping jobs. It's changing how we make money. It's rewriting education, healthcare, transport, and war. Scary? Yes. Exciting? Absolutely. Avoidable? Not a chance. Because here's a hard truth. Those who understand AI will control the future, and those who don't will be controlled by it. Let me ask you this. Are you waiting for someone to knock on your door and say, hey, it's time to learn AI? That's not going to happen. The people who win in life don't wait, they move first. Every minute you delay is a minute where someone else, maybe younger, maybe less experienced, is learning AI and getting ahead. This isn't a tech wave, this is a tsunami. You either learn to ride it or get swept away. You're probably wondering, okay, I get it. AI is important, but how do I start? What do I need to learn? What's the first step? Don't worry, I'm about to give you the clearest path. But first you need to understand what's really at stake. What happens if you ignore AI? Imagine this. You wake up 5 years from now. Your job? Gone. Automated. Your business? Replaced by a smarter algorithm. Your decisions? Influenced by systems you never understood. This is not just possible, it's already happening. Blockbuster ignored innovation. Netflix didn't. Kodak laughed at digital cameras. Look where they are now. Don't be the next cautionary tale. Imagine you do act today. You start learning. You understand AI tools. You use them in your job, your side hustle, your content, your life. Suddenly you're 10x more productive. You can build more, create more, earn more, faster than anyone else around you. This isn't just about surviving, it's about thriving. Because with AI, you don't need a degree or millions of rupees. You need curiosity, courage, and the will to start now. So how do you start? Here's the golden roadmap. Understand the basics. What is AI? Machine learning, neural networks. You're doing that right now by watching this. Experiment with tools, ChatGPT, Midjourney, Copilot, Claude, Sora. Try them, break them, play with them. Apply it to your field. Whether it's finance, education, health, content, or even cooking, AI can help you do it better. Stay updated. Follow AI news. Take online courses. Subscribe to this channel. This is your edge. Look, you have two choices. Close this video, do nothing, and watch others succeed while you fall behind. Or take this moment as a turning point in your life. Because this video might be the spark that changes everything. The future doesn't belong to the smartest. It belongs to the fastest, to the bold, to the aware, to those who refuse to waste time anymore. So what's it going to be? Pause, stare into camera. Will you watch the future or build it? Subscribe. The next video will show you how to actually use AI in your daily life, and you do not want to miss it. See you there.